Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So this is the fourth time, I'm not kidding, I'm trying to record the video for you. Since my camera is conflicting with my mic and whatever, so after a 2-minute time frame it crashes on me. So if you appreciate the effort, like, share and subscribe, blah blah blah. But it's been a while since I've recorded a video about Jasper. So Jasper has become more affordable. It had been one of the more expensive tools, and now it's more affordable. As I said, for $50 you get unlimited generations. But the topic of the video today is the Jasper's two new features, which are the brand voice and memories. And we'll be testing the brand voice first. My subscription allows me to use one brand voice only, unfortunately. And I will be generating everything together with you. So add voice, I have a couple of choices here. I can enter my URL or text. Let's choose text. And I thought it would be a fun experiment to use Gary Vee as an example. So I have selected his keynote speech from 2022. And since brand voice allows for roughly 7,000 characters, this is about 8 minutes long. So we'll just paste the whole text here. I will disregard the timestamps. Hopefully Jasper is smart enough to ignore that. So let's hit continue. And the style guide emphasizes a conversational, informal tone with humor, repetition, rhetorical questions, and inclusive language to engage the audience, encourage participation, and create a welcoming atmosphere. And wow, I think this is a very accurate representation of how Gary Vee sounds like and what he's about. So let's just name this Gary Vee. And I won't be making this default for all of the campaigns because I want to have flexibility. So create voice. And as far as memories, this is basically data stored within Jasper. And I thought it would be fun to include LSI keywords for Can't Dox It Longer as an experiment. So now when you go to chat, you have this option here, which is include the tone of voice, which is Gary Vee, and include the memories, which are our SEO keywords. So apply. And this is already pre-made since I've tried this 4 times already. So let's just save some time and copy the article. And the prompt was very simple. Use markdown formatting and write a 1500-word article about Can't Dox It Longer. So for those of you playing at home, I have pre-populated meta and description. So the default is not 0 but 26. And let's just... and this is 72, guys. SEO score is 72. And this is my obsessive compulsive kicking in, so I need to remove the spaces. Well, I don't need to, but you know. And my favorite, and this is sufficient already, I reckon, but my favorite trick of late has been to use the AI writing, advanced templates, and FAQ with unused terms. So what it does is basically uses all of the unused terms and writes an FAQ. And let's see what happens. And where's the content score? It's 88. Wow. I mean, this is our optimization, obviously, but I just like seeing everything in the green. So it's almost... I'm not sure if it's possible to have a perfect score. I haven't ever tried that. But this is an extremely optimized Can't Dox It Longer SEO article. So there you have it. And we haven't tested the originality yet, since it was Gary Vee. And let's just read through the article. And because who doesn't love a good running gag? Well, the answer is drumroll, please. So this is very conversational. The good, the bad, and the sugary. Seeds, pits, and shells. Oh my. Allergic to long and say it ain't so. And Gary Vee was one of the first prompts for AI anti-detection I tried with even before the GPT-4, and it worked. But now I have my doubts. But guys, if you read it, it's very conversational. The answer is a resounding yes, but. Well, how can yes, but be a resounding? It's like a resounding maybe. But let's check the AI score. Nothing can beat AI detection with Originality AI nowadays. And this is, I'm kind of disappointed, guys. But if you want to have the latest and greatest in AI detection, I still keep my AI anti-detection library up to date. So these are the most reliable methods right now that are working right now. But unfortunately, Gary V did not help us pass AI detection. So this is a very good use case of memories, actually. So the brand voice is accurate. It is detected accurately. And the memory is, good. What about the tone detector, I wonder? So this is an excerpt from the same transcript. Unfortunately, it only has 800 characters limitation as opposed to 7,000. Let's see how friendly and welcoming. That's it. So this is disappointing. And I think tone detectors should become redundant since brand voice is a much more accurate instrument. So yeah, but however, if you don't own Jasper and you want to enjoy the luxury of using your own brand voice or somebody else's, I will give you a prompt. And the prompt is going to use GPT-4. And don't get scared. This is not a huge prompt. This is basically a very small prompt with text. So the prompt goes: analyze the below text for tone, voice, vocabulary, syntax, which is the sentence structure, grammar, and punctuation. And I'm not sure about punctuation since this is a live speech, but let's see what happens. Tone. The tone is encouraging, confident, and inspiring. Good. The speaker is focused on relaying the audience, encouraging them to be their best selves and fostering a strong sense of community. Okay. Voice is casual, approachable, and motivational. Good. Agreed. The speaker uses conversational language, often addressing the audience directly as friends and maintaining an informal, friendly tone. The vocabulary is relatively simple and accessible, making it understandable to a wide audience. The speaker uses business and conference-related terms such as ROI, framework, intellectual property, self-esteem. I have no idea what self-esteem is. I guess I'm not a fan of Gary V. Syntax. The sentences are a mix of simple, compound, and complex, though many are fragmented, which is typical in spoken language. Fair enough. Grammar. Come on. Grammar is generally correct, but it's conversational, which leads to some casual language choices and incomplete sentences. Again, agreed, since this is a public speech. As this is a transcription of spoken language, punctuation is applied to pauses and sentence endings. Square brackets are used to represent nonverbal communication. Applause. However, there are instances where commas could be added for clarity. And a nice sum up. The speaker uses a encouraging, uplifting tone. They also use a casual voice and vocabulary. Okay. Text effectively conveys the speaker message. And so what you can do, and this is very detailed, and I like it even better than brand voice of Jasper. Sorry, Jasper. So what you can do is to use the above findings to write an article about, can you guess it? Can dogs sit longer? And I'm 99% sure this is not going to pass AI detection, but still, it's a fun experiment. And unfortunately, this is still 100% AI, which is too bad. But again, you can definitely use this prompt for mimicking your writing style. So hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.